Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm on the Grand River boat ride in Jenison, Michigan. Yeah, man, I missed it today. My brother went on this just awesome bike ride, and we went downtown the beach, and there's this hill called the 5 Mile Hill. It's like this steep for like probably a quarter mile, and I think we went up that thing like twice, and man, you just feel it when you get up. Like your legs are just burning. I was in 1 and 5 gear, and I was just doing that for probably like just a few, like 3-4 minutes or something, just doing that constantly, and oh man, just pain and pain and pain and pain. And after that, my brother was coming up, so I just went down like halfway and then went back up. Then we rode down, went back up the other way, and then what was the other one? Okay, there's people. I'm kind of feeling awkward.
Yeah, can't go that way. I'm sorry. Oh.
Yeah, and then we went back up the other way, and then yeah, that was just the same thing. And then yeah, rode back down. Then we did like a challenge thing. We were like at the top of the hill. I go down, and he tries to ride to the end of the road, and I like drift. I gotta practice on my drifting because that was so much fun. Then I just go as fast as I can. I try to catch up to him, and like the last time we did, I think I like 5 seconds away, I almost caught up to him. Sorry about there's stuff, people below me, up above me. Yeah, now we're on this boat ride. It's like a 2-hour boat ride, and yeah, I have to work tonight, but I'm gonna see if I can get part-time and still keep necessities from my job, because I do need those, and have another day for making videos and for cycling, because I really do enjoy this. And yeah, so I'll kind of show you a tour of the boat. It's like this dining room kind of place. Yeah. I see me. Hello, me. Careful, you'll scare the fish. There, told you. Coming up here. How you doing? That's my brother. That right there looked like Durian Rider. Okay, that's about it. It's just a simple. It's basically just like a mini cruise. Anyways, if you're not following me on Vegan Amino, here, I'll show you. Vegan Technology. Just posted a farmer's market haul. And let me go into it. Alright. Sorry about the boat, I'll talk louder. I got big box of bananas. I gotta wait like a few days for those to ripe. I got this pineapple coconut drink, and I put in some sugar in it to make it sweeter, and that was really good. I got like 3 dozen oranges, like 5 little buckets of potatoes, got a big watermelon, like 2 dozen peaches. I gotta wait a few days for those to ripe, but that was really good. Oh, now I'm losing signal, so that sucks. Oh, came back on. Yeah, that's about it. All this cost me about just under $50 probably. It was $38 for the bananas, the potatoes, oranges, peaches, and I paid $6 for the watermelon and $2.50 for that thing. That was my farmer's market haul. I didn't buy any mangoes because I didn't feel like any mangoes. Yeah, please follow me on Vegan Amino. Yep, my bio's right here. Do it. Here, I'll show you. I'll get in the Play Store. Search Vegan Amino. Right here. There you go. All you vegans out there, get on Vegan Amino. I want to hear from you. Let me know if you found me through, or if you're already through Vegan Amino, or if you're new to my channel and you don't have this app yet, let me know that I sent you, because I'd love to hear from you.
If your front door's locked, I'll come to your back door. If your front door's locked, I'll come to your back door. Let me in once, I'll be back for If your front door's locked, I'll come to your back door. If your front door's locked, I'll come to your back door. Let me in once, I'll be back for more.
What's gonna do when the crawdads die? Gonna sit on the hill till I cry, honey. Sugar baby, mine, catfish John. I heard the duck say to the drake, honey, oh honey. Heard the duck say to the drake, make sugar, babe. Heard the duck say to the drake, there ain't no crawdads in that lake, honey, sugar, babe, and mine. Who's that crawdad crawling around, honey? Who's that crawdad crawling around, babe? Who's that crawdad crawling around? He's the mayor of Crawdad Town, honey, sugar, baby, mine. What's gonna do when the lake blue sky, honey? You're in line, I'll get a pole, babe. You're in line, I'll get a pole. You go fishing in the Crawdad hole, honey, sugar, baby, mine.